Hi, this is Don Sherman. Today I'm gonna make a nice couscous dish. Cooking is so easy and it's fun when you have the right ingredients and the right utensils. I'm using my iCook wok to make my couscous. First of all, boil the water. So I'm using 1 cup of water. So in this case, I'm just using my measuring jug. But you can use your teacup. Exact amount of water and exact amount of couscous. To get more flavor, instead of water, you can add fish stock, chicken stock, or even beef stock or vegetable stock as you desire. Once your stock or the water is in the boiling stage, you can simply add 1 teaspoon of oil, just the vegetable oil or your desired oil, and then sufficient amount of salt. Right. Then what you need to add is the exact amount of couscous equal to the water or the stock. You simply add the couscous into the boiling liquid and stir it up and switch it off the fire and leave it for 5 minutes. That's it. Alright, after 5 minutes, you open the pan. Wow, good. So nice. The couscous is done almost in a nice way. But we need to give a little bit of a flavor and saute this with some ingredients. So all you have to do is remove the couscous from the iCook wok. Alright, now we're gonna do the tasty part of the dish. That's sauteing the ingredients with the couscous. First, the onion. I'm using my iCook knife. That's right, so nice. And then the mushrooms. Alright, then you can add your favorite meat or seafood. In this case, I add a little bit of chicken. Perfect. Everything is set to go. Let's do the sauteing by using the iCook wok. Heat the wok and add a little bit of oil. Not too much. Beautiful. And then I got the garlic as well. A little bit of garlic to give you a superb flavor and aroma. And then add the onion. Saute the onion. The iCook wok gives you a superb heat retention so that you can get the equal heat around the pan and gives you an even cooking. And these handles are so handy and it's very easy to use. Once the onion is cooked, you simply add the chicken and season the chicken with some salt. And of course, I add a little bit of chili flakes, a little bit of a spiciness. Awesome. Wow, nice aroma coming in. And then you add this simply the mushrooms that you have organized. And then add a little bit of color and the taste with a little bit of soy sauce. Ooh. Once everything is done, you simply add the prepared couscous into the dish. Perfect. Mix it up. And finally add with some fried shallots, a little bit of spring onions, and some nuts. Yes! Peanuts or cashew nuts would be fine. Wow, what a combination. Your couscous dish is done. Woo! Chicken and mushroom couscous made easy with iCook wok with a little bit of onion and nuts as well. Aroma is so good, so easy to make with iCook wok. You want to try it? Yes?